Hi everyone, if you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to create image in the Qwen app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create image in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to create image, simply tap onto the plus sign option at the bottom just right here. Now simply write create image of people dancing. Add the description and simply send it. Now wait for a few seconds and the app will create an image. And that's it. This is how you can create image in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.